So in this tutorial we're going to learn about function overloading. So function overloading is basically using the same name for two different functions like how I've used here. But when you think about it, two different functions cannot have the same name because the compiler will have a complication to determine which it has to call. So now I've created a function named calculate. There is two functions named calculate, and with different form parameters, like let this be double. So here we can pass either an int value or double values in these two functions. So let me pass 5, 5, 3, 5 and 5.0, 6.9. So what's happening here is that here I'm passing an int value. So this determines that this function call statement is going to call this function because of the form parameters. But this is going to call this function because double is the parameters. So how does the compiler determine that it has to call which function in function overloading? It determines it on the basis of the number and the data type of the parameters. So here I pass different data types, so it can determine that this is calling this function and this is calling this function. So you can also get different number of parameters like of the same data type.